Good day everyone, it's your boy Dr. Taker and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video we're just gonna be having what a market breakdown. I just got a request for just few pairs, and yeah, for now, whenever we start trading, we always look at the dollar index. That's our main direction. It gives us those main keys, and it gives us support. We know what we should look for, on all the USD pairs. So in the next video, I'm gonna drop how to trade USD pairs properly. Okay, let's get to the video. Let me move back to my daily time frame. So let's just see what has been going on DXY. So as you can see, DXY, it's been a bit bullish for quite some time now. It's been a bit bullish for quite some time now, but the market had to come what and retest in a very corrective way. Remember, we've been looking for buying opportunities on what on DXY while it was here. We've always said we got this double bottom formation, which is a W formation. Now the market broke the neckline of the W formation. It has what come retest in a correction form, and now we are looking for continuations to the upside. So let's move to our 4-hour time frame. Okay, so as you can see now, we have this what on our 4-hour time frame. We have this zone. Let me use this tool. Okay, as you can see, we had this zone. The market came printed this high. It came printed a low. Now the market just printed a high. Now we need to expect what a low and a continuation to the upside. So that's how the market moves. If the market is printing higher highs and higher lows, we know that the market is now in a bullish formation or a bullish momentum. So as you can see now on our 1-hour time frame, let's move to the 30-minute time frame. So for now on DXY, I'll just wait for it to continue correcting, to continue correcting, coming back to the zone. Then that's when you're gonna see a bullish dollar. The dollar is gonna be strong. This is what I'm looking for. At the moment. Let's move back to our 1-hour time frame. So this must be the first target of DXY, waiting for it to break and continue to this 90% rule according to our strategy. 90% rule. So this is what I'm actually looking for on DXY, waiting for it to break, come back. It might break this high, come back, retest, and also continue. So let's move to gold for now. Gold is a bit complicated, but yeah, we let's take a look at it. So let's move to our daily time frame. Let's move to our daily time frame. Let me reset price. Okay, so on our daily time frame, as you can see, we have this overall. Actually, let me start on my weekly because I saw something on the weekly time frame. So on the weekly time frame, as you can see, the market is what the market is been in a sideways trend. The market came here. Let me use this tool. Okay, the market gave us this first top, second top, and now it's like we just experienced a third top, a triple top. So we know whenever we get a triple top, we're expecting the market to go to the downside, but we need to have more confirmation and more we need to get a clear structure and a clear view that the market has to sell to that point. So as you can see now, let me remove this for now. Remove this for now. Okay, so as you can see on our daily time frame, we do have a bit of a correction here, a bit of a correcting structure, which makes me think that there are possibilities of the market coming back here, retesting, and continuing to the upside. Maybe creating a double top formation, then start dropping to the downside. But for now, let's just deal with facts. Let's move to our 4-hour time frame. So you can see on our 4-hour time frame, we did have a break below this resistance here. We had an impulse break to the downside. Now the market came in a correction to retest and it came back. For me now, I have to wait for what? For a clear retest in a correction formation, honestly, before me taking sells on gold, targeting this next low. So yeah, but if now it comes back to the upside in an impulse, I need to wait for it for a break and a retest and a continuation, breaking those highs, coming back and pushing to the upside. But remember, XAU USD, that means the dollar is strong. So XAU might be weak, against the USD. That is why I'm mostly looking for this what correction to the upside and a drop to the downside. But if the market comes in an impulse, I just need to wait for it to break and be patient, come retest, create an inverse head and shoulders pattern, then continue to the upside. So let's take a look at NASDAQ. Let me remove those drawings. Let's take a look at NASDAQ. So let's move to my daily time frame. Né? So as you can see on my daily time frame, let me just unzoom this. As you can see, we have those highs here, and the market seemed to have respected the highs. So now the market might what? Now I'm looking at this. Né? I'm looking at this high. This high was broken, but it was never retested in a clear form. It was never retested in a deeper correction type of a formation. So for me, I think we need to wait for a break, a retest of this, then a continuation to this to come retest this previous high. Then from there, that's when we might get confirmation continuations to the upside. But for now, let's move to our 4-hour time frame for more confirmations. So on my 4-hour time frame, I see I have something like this also, correction type of a formation. But we also need to look at the momentum. We also need to look at the strength, of the market. Let me clone this. What's going on? Yeah, let me clone this and see if it makes sense if I put it above here. Okay, for now, let's just remove this. Let's move to our 1-hour time frame. So as you can see on our 1-hour time frame, it doesn't make sense that much, but this might be an impulse shoot, a correction, then a continuation, a double bottom formation. But based on my high time frame structure, this is what I will be looking for. Need to be looking forward for an impulse to the downside, correction, then a drop to maybe this low. But if now the market continues going to the upside, I need to look for more confirmations, maybe something like this. Market might come, then come back, retest, in a correction. Then that's when I'll be looking forward for buying opportunities. But for now, I'll be looking for selling opportunities on NASDAQ. Let's see, take a look at gbpusd. Okay, so on my gbpusd, let's see on our daily time frame. Okay, let's try to spot something like this. Also try to clone it, put it below. But I take this as a very, very strong zone. And as you can see, the market is approaching this in a very corrective formation. So let's move to our 4-hour time frame. So we might get something like this also. So for now, my only confirmations will be what the market coming here in an impulse, having to come back, retest this, then having to target this as my first take profit. yeah, this is what I might be looking for. But now if the market comes in a what, in a very deeper correction, it plays around here, retesting this, I'll be taking my buying opportunities. But for now, let me just look for selling opportunities also in gbpusd. So thank you guys for joining me in today's video. Take care, and uh, please make sure you click the like, subscribe button, and also don't forget to turn on the notifications so that you can be notified next time I drop. So in the next video, I'll be documenting my trading what's this pop firm trading challenge. I'll be documenting the journey, and also on the next video I'll be showing you how to kill USD pairs, how to trade USD pairs properly. So thank you guys for joining today's video. It's a pleasure, take care, and I'm signing out.